Okay, give this a little try here. I want to welcome you to the Cold War, to the war on terror, and just go over a couple things in terms of what we're going to be using in Schoology and other resources. So of course we're going to be using Schoology like we do every year. Um, at Upper Adult, you should be pretty familiar with it now. You're going to notice one feature on all your teachers' classes this year is that we're all required to have a daily agenda. I'm going to go over some of these features here. It lets you know what the date is. Teachers are going to have office hours for problems. This blue here is a Zoom icon, and here's just basically an overview of what we would do each day. We'll get more into that later. I don't want to spend too much time on that. As you go down here, there'll be distance learning information, and then our unit one, what assignments we have, what readings, so forth. It's just the basic stuff for that. I did put a special link in here in the distance learning to the different kinds of streaming links. We are going to use Zoom all the time. I do have a backup plan for Google Meet in case there's an issue with Zoom, and then something called YouTube Live, which I don't think I'm ever going to use at all, but I have it in there as a third option. But again, we'll be using Zoom each day to learn, and all the materials will be here. The other thing I wanted to show you today was my webpage. I did email this to you. Basically, the webpage is a backup plan in case Schoology goes down. Again, the school is not expecting Schoology to crash again like it did in the spring. They made some updates and everything. Just in case it does, you can go to my webpage here. You'll notice it says odd and even days. There's a need help button that's going to explain certain things. And again, there'll be a link to Zoom, Google Meet. If you can't get in through Schoology, you can just click on here and it'll take you to our Zoom meeting. But let's just click on even days here to see what happens. So if you're in my second period, my fourth period, this website could help with information. Again, I'll have the Zoom link, the Google Meet link. Again, we're always going to use Zoom, just to be clear about that. And here's the agenda, that we will have. And the work that we would have to do. Again, this is just a backup plan. All of this is already on Schoology, but in case something were to happen, you could come to my webpage and see what was going on in the class. And again, I put in that help thing. I'm going to put this video that I'm making right now in here also. These are some of the tools we're going to be using, and we can show you how to use them and get to them and so forth. But I am expecting a good year in this class from everyone. It's going to be all new for all of us. If you looked over my email that I sent on Friday, it had some information about myself and everything, and it should be interesting on Tuesday. So I look forward to seeing my periods 1, 3, and 5 on Tuesday, and on Wednesday periods